Today we are going to try to recreate moldable soap, and here's an example from Lush. It's called Fun, and this particular moldable soap is called Pink, and you can see that you can mold it like Play-Doh, but the cool thing is that you can use it in your bathtub, you can use it or for your hands as washing soap. So we're going to try to do it at home, and what you will need is all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and any kind of liquid soap. Could be bubble bath, hand soap, or even organic coconut soap. And then also food coloring if you'd like to color it. So we'll start with the dry ingredients. It will be 0.5% flour and 0.5% cornstarch. And any amount that you want. Right now we're just doing a 1/4 cup each because we don't want to make that much today. And so what you'll do is you'll add just enough soap until you can make a dough. So you usually add just a little bit at a time and you start mixing it up. Just at first to incorporate it, but in the end you might actually have to use your hands to mold it into a soap. Just kind of like Play-Doh. Okay, we've added enough soap to make it come together into a dough, and right now we're working in some food coloring, which is optional. You can also at this point add some fragrance oil or essential oil. We're not doing it this time because we are using fragrance soap. So here is our final product, and as you can see it's quite soft and stretchy and really fun to play with. If we had to do it over again, we probably would add the color to the soap first so that you get a more even color, but I kind of like the marbleized effect that turned out. So over here in the blue Play-Doh, we have different percentages of the dry materials. Right now there's the 100% all-purpose flour, no cornstarch, and then in the middle we have 100% cornstarch, no all-purpose flour. And at the end is 50% cornstarch, 50% flour. So we'll show you the difference between the textures. The 100% all-purpose flour is still really stretchy and it's really fun to play with. However, it's sticky, kind of like Play-Doh sticky, and it can stick to your hands. And doesn't have that silky texture that the cornstarch gives. In the middle, we have 100% cornstarch. And you can see it's still soft, but it's not stretchy. You can see it breaks cleanly in half. No stretch to it. And in the 50% cornstarch and 50% all-purpose flour, it's got a nice combination of both properties.